So now let's see how we can work around with exposure, brightness and contrast inside of GIMP. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here and bring in, let's say for example, this particular image right here, just like this. So now let's say that I want to go around and work around with the brightness of this particular image. Then what I can do is I can go around onto colors right here, and over here you can see that exposure is an option right here. So if I were to go around onto exposure right here, then I can change around the black level right here, and then you can see that you can change that out, and then you can change around the exposure as well, change around the black level for more contrast, as you can see right here, to get more details out of it right here. So exposure actually goes around and increases out the level of brightness of the overall picture. So you can see the before and after right here, just like this as well. So let's just go around and press OK. So apart from that, if I were to go around onto colors right here, then you can see that this is what you have. So you can see that brightness and contrast is an option right here as well. So you can further improve out the brightness right here, as you can see right here, for an overall whiteness, or decrease it out right here. And you can also go around and change around the contrast of the brightness as well, as you can see right here. So this is the blending mode that you can see right here, and you can make minor adjustment with the brightness and contrast, as you can see. Contrast is the difference between black and white. So you can see that the black and white are moving far apart once you go around, change around the contrast right here. But brightness increases out the brightness of the overall image right here. So that is how you can work around with exposure, brightness and contrast inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.